विद्यार्थी मित्र हो, आज 12 ऑगस्ट 2021 रोजी आपण पूर्व माध्यमिक शिष्यवृत्ती परीक्षा इयत्ता 8वी नुकतीच दिलेली आहे आणि या परीक्षेमध्ये इंग्रजी विषयामध्ये तुम्हाला किती गुण मिळाले हे पाहायचे असेल तर नक्कीच हा व्हिडिओ पहा. इंग्लिश सब्जेक्ट answer key I have given here with detailed explanation. Whatever your question paper set A, B, C, D तुमचा कोणताही क्वेश्चन पेपर सेट असो, हा व्हिडिओ पाहत असाल तर तुम्ही तुमचा क्वेश्चन पेपर सेट समोर घ्या आणि स्पष्टीकरणासह सर्व प्रश्नांची उत्तर आपण पाहणार आहोत. चला तर पाहूया आपल्याला किती गुण पडतील या इंग्रजी विषयामध्ये. You just open your question paper and find out these questions and note your answer. Okay, before start explanation, dear students, you know very well you have 25 questions for 50 marks, and here I have question paper set D. You just open your question paper and find out these questions and note your answer. So let's start. Here is first question. Choose the correct alternative to complete the sentence. And sentence is given here. Sakshi and her friends have a lot of homework to complete, so they not come to party. Options are might, need, may or do. Okay, I think the answer of this question is need, option number. Okay, now see question number 2. Complete the following sentence using simple past tense. Choose one correct alternative, and sentence is once upon a time there was a girl called Alyonshka. Alyonshka with her parents and baby brother. And options are live, lived, will live or lives. Okay, very easy question it is. Simple past tense means here word lived. Option number 2 is correct answer. Question number 3. Find out sentence which is not in active voice. Choose the correct option. Options are given here. Honesty is made by bees. I saw him opening the box. Number 3. I was offered a chair. And number 4. The letter was written by the clerk. See, according to me, there is confusion in this question. If we observe all these 4 options, there are 3 sentences given in passive voice and only one sentence is given active voice, and that is I saw him opening the box. पहा, इथं प्रश्न असा विचारलेला आहे की कोणतं वाक्य हे ऍक्टिव्ह व्हॉइस मध्ये नाही, परंतु इथं 3 वाक्य असे आहेत की ती ऍक्टिव्ह व्हॉइस मध्ये नाहीत आणि एकच वाक्य ऍक्टिव्ह व्हॉइस मध्ये आहे, ते म्हणजे आय सॉ हिम ओपनिंग द बॉक्स. जर हा प्रश्न चुकीचा असेल तर याचे गुण आपल्या सर्वांना भेटणार आहेत. तरीही जर आन्सर द्यायचं झालं तर ऑप्शन नंबर 2 इज करेक्ट आन्सर हियर, बट definitely there is confusion in this question. Okay, see next question. Question number 4. Complete the sentence using correct alternative, and sentence is given. The teacher said that the earth goes round the sun. Here is given instructions for question number 5 and 6. Read the passage and choose the correct alternative. See, Wikipedia is called the free encyclopedia. You don't have to buy it from the shop, borrow from a library or pay any money to be able to read it on the net. At one click of the mouse, it is there for you to read. It is available on the World Wide Web, www. It contains information on thousands of topics in form of articles. Wikipedia is operated by the non-profit Wikipedia Foundation. Now question number 5. Wikipedia is easily available at. Options are 1 shop, 2nd library, 3rd mall, and 4th net. Okay, and the correct answer of this question is net. See, here is given answer net. Question number 6. The information on Wikipedia is Options are number 1 in form of couplets, number 2 in form of dialogues, number 3 in form of articles, and number 4 in form of table. And the correct answer is in form of. Next, question number 7. Choose the correct option. Drop everything and read. It's an access towards success. The slogan is related to plants, library, reading, or fame. Okay, correct answer is option number 3. This slogan is related with reading. Okay, next, question number 8. Choose the correct option. Bina sent message. How was your exam? She got an answer EJ. Okay, EJ. Can you guess the meaning? EJ means easy. Option number 3 is correct answer. Again, here one paragraph for question number 9 to 11. Read the passage and choose the correct option. See, I was 19 when I saw my first tiger in the wild, and it was every bit as thrilling as I had imagined. I was in Kanha Tiger Reserve in Madhya Pradesh, seated on young tame elephant that was barely 6 feet tall. The elephant and teenage mahout were being trained to track tigers. I sat behind the boy mahout and hung onto a rope. Suddenly, a sight of cute tiger caught my eye. There behind the narrow path sat a handsome young tiger. For a heart-stopping moment, we looked each other with mutual surprise. Okay, now question is, the writer saw his first tiger at the age of, and the correct answer is 19. See, first line, I was 19. Next, question number 10. Choose the correct two options. Okay, now here you are going to give two options. उत्तरांमधून दोन पर्याय तुम्हाला निवडायचे आहेत या प्रश्नासाठी. Where did the boy notice the cute tiger? Okay, and options are in the Kanha Tiger Reserve and behind the narrow path. Option number 1 and 3 are correct. Then question number 11. Choose the two correct options. Again here you are going to choose two options. Who was trained to track the tigers? And options are the elephant and the mahout. Okay. Next, choose the correct option. The climate of Chennai is hotter than the climate of Bangalore. In the above sentence, the comparison is about. Okay. Option 1 is Chennai, option number 2 Bangalore, option number 3 climate of the city, and option number 4 city. And the correct answer is option number 3 climate of the city. Okay. Next, question number 13. See, look at the following picture of the clock and find out one correct alternative. The clock shows options are quarter past 3, quarter to 2, quarter past 1, and quarter to 3, and answer is option number 3 quarter past 1. Question number 14. Choose one correct alternative from the following option, and sentence is the scientific study of metals and their uses means allergy, metallurgy, chemistry, or extract, and the correct answer is metallurgy, dhatu shastra. Okay, next, question number 15. Find out the words which is related to parts of plants, leaves, flowers, stem, and options are bark, feather, horn, soil. Correct answer is bark. Bark is also just part of plants. Bark means sal. Okay, next, question number 16. Read the following sentence and choose one correct alternative of the underlined phrase. See, when teacher announced holiday, all the students sprang up from the benches. Now sprang up phrase here, and options are given: return to original place, number 2 quicken, number 3 cheerful, and number 4 particular season. Correct answer is cheerful. Number 17. Read the following responses in the following web and choose the correct alternative. First sentence is that's too sad. Second, that's terrible. Third, sorry to hear that. And fourth, that's bad. And options are given here: good news, appeal to save water, victory, or bad news. Simple it is. Option number 4 is correct answer. These all are bad news. Okay, next. Now see question number 18. Choose one correct alternative. What is it which begins with T, ends with T, and has T in it? Okay, it is one riddle type question. Options are given here: time, teapot, pot, or tea. And the correct answer is teapot. हे असा कोणता शब्द आहे जो टी ने सुरू होतो आणि टीनच त्याचा शेवट होतो आणि त्यामध्ये टी असते, म्हणजेच टी पॉट. नाउ सी क्वेश्चन नंबर 19 and 20. There is one advertise for these two questions. See, read the advertisement and choose one correct alternative. Time for back to school. Don't wait, come fast. Fill up your pouches with get pens, pencils, erasers, pro circles, whiteners, stickers, etc. at knowledge stores. Contact us on www.kst.com. And here is given our features: good quality, a reasonable rate, no exchange, and no discounts. Okay, now see question number 19. What is question? Choose the correct option. What is the name of the store? Okay, see here, name is given directly, a knowledge stores. So option number 1 is correct answer, a knowledge store. Question number 20. How much discount we get on pens, pencils, etc.? Okay, they directly go on their feature, and in that feature there is said no discounts. So option number 3 is correct answer. Okay, now question number 21. Choose one correct alternative. Find out the object and its color from the first one is given here, apple and red. Now find here is given APPLE, apple, and downside red. Okay, now see question number 22. Choose two options from the following tree diagram of wrong pairs. Okay, it means again here are going to choose two options. पुन्हा इथं आपण दोन पर्याय निवडणार आहोत. टाइम ऑफ द डे. फर्स्ट मॉर्निंग फ्रेश, सेकंड आफ्टरनून ब्राइट, इवनिंग टाइनी, नाइट व्हाइट. व्हाइट it is wrong, and evening tiny. It means option number 3 and 4, and here option number 1 and 3 are the correct. Now question number 23. Choose one correct alternative for the underlined word. See, Ruby's teacher suggested to practice a lot of exercises. It was a good advice. Now advice means salla, and it is noun, it is abstract noun, so it is noun. And question number 24. Choose the alternative. Which word is wrongly used in the following question? Do she recognize her childhood friend? Options are given here: recognize, friend, do, childhood. And the wrong word used here is option number 3, do. See, because here is subject C and we use does after C. C नंतर does वापरता. Then last question. Read the following sentence and find out the type of sentence. Choose one correct answer. Sancho Panza said, God bless me. And options are imperative sentence, exclamatory sentence, assertive sentence, or interrogative sentence. Correct answer is option number 2. We can easily find there is also given exclamation mark. So option number 2, exclamatory sentence, is correct answer. So I hope your most questions are right and you will get good marks in this scholarship examination. That's it in this video, dear students. Share this video to your friends and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel to get latest video notification. And if you want to learn English subject, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.